Good morning, everyone. Dr. Vicky here, speaking to you from the Seeds of Transformation Healing Center. Today is Monday, the 14th of October, and the moon is in Pisces. So we have a rainy morning here, so I'm going to stay inside the house and do this forecast for you. But I have to say, the colors are changing and looking lovely, so hopefully this is good. So couple things. Yesterday was a very intense day. There was a lot of shifting energy. I don't know if you felt it. I felt it physically. It was a very I don't know, it was a difficult day for me physically. It was difficult to move around yesterday, and I generally don't bring up physical stuff, especially my own physical stuff, because, hey. But it did seem that a lot of the physicality, the difficulties in moving, the sort of bone weariness that I was experiencing, in a way, is connected to Pluto sort of slowly moving out of Capricorn. Of course, Capricorn rules the bones, as it were, and there's a lot of Mars activity, and Mars generally indicates inflammation. Now, today we have a Sun-Mars square. It's a first quarter crisis in action square, so we feel the need to take an action. And we will be actively taking actions. It's a very intense week. This week we also have an opposition between Venus and Uranus. Venus, the planet of relationship, the planet of the feminine. Uranus, sudden, unexpected awareness around issues that way, around that. And Venus actually this week is going to be making aspects to all the transpersonal planets. The opposition to Uranus is probably the most difficult, but we also have a sextile. Let's see, what do we have? We have a trine to Neptune and a sextile to Pluto coming up this week. The trine and the sextile are much easier than the opposition. And of course, you never really know with Uranus, because Uranus is a bit of a wild card. Uranus is the wild card, as it were. So there will be illuminations. It could be around relationship. It could also be around money and values. And the Mars Sun energy actually helps in I think the attempts to rescue people and help people out of the situations, all this weather related stuff. So, and as I stand here, one of the other reasons I didn't go outside and I'm just standing in the doorway is because I heard the rumbling of thunder in the distance. And so the rumbling of thunder in the distance is symbolic of the changes on its way. We are at the cusp of a great shift. We're already sort of going in that direction, and as many of you know that I've said, we're already there. We just have to catch up. So don't lose faith. Don't lose your hope. Keep visualizing the world you want to see, and then take actions to back that up. So, and remember that the actions, what you put out, you get back. And so let's put out some good juju, because we all could use a lot of good juju coming back to us. All right, guys, have yourself a wonderful day. Be careful out there. It's going to be a crazy week. We'll be doing a moonshine episode on Ona's channel this week. You can check that out. And Mystic Sisters next, this coming Saturday on Ona's channel. I believe we're going to have Jen Lin with us. So that'll be exciting. As far as what I have put out, I just put out the week ahead. So if you want to get into the weeds or into the details of this week, which is quite intense, a little bit longer. I knew it was going to be a long one, but there's a lot of things happening today. this week today, and it's a good. I think it's a good video to get a real sense of both what we're up against and the potential that we have for making really long-standing and positive change in the world. Okay, guys, take care. Have a great day, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Namaste.